Hi, I'm John from Chatamize, and in this video I will show you how we can automatically reply to comments during our Instagram Live. Let's dive in. So let's say we are an e-commerce company and we're hosting an Instagram Live talking about a new product collection that is launching today. Then you want to give everyone inside the Instagram Live a discount code on that specific product collection. And what you now can say by using Instagram DM automation, and you can say to everyone in that Instagram Live, you can just say, okay, comment collection 1, and I will automatically send you a message in your Instagram DM. And this will give you a really high conversion rate, because normally you would tell people like to go to your link in bio, but then they need to get away from your Instagram Live. They need to go to the link in bio, click on the link in bio, then they need to search for the correct link, because you often have a lot of different links in your link in bio, and then they have your discount code. And because there are so many steps right there, you will lose a lot of your conversion. And by using this new tactic, which is called Instagram DM automation, you can automatically send them a message with a link to your website and with the discount code, which will give you a way higher conversion rate. So what we can do now is that we can just say to people, comment collection 1 during the Instagram Live, and we directly send them a message. And I'm going to show you how you can do this by using ManyChat. So what we need to do is that we need to go to chatamize.com/mc, and this will directly bring you to the ManyChat website, and then here you can just click on get started for free, and then you can connect your Instagram account to ManyChat. Just follow the steps and you will create your own ManyChat account. But because I already have a ManyChat account, I will just click on sign in with Facebook. So now I am in ManyChat, and we need to go to automation, and then here click on new flow. And then we can here click on start from scratch, and we'll say Instagram Live comment, and click on rename. And then here we need to determine our starting step. And the starting step is the event that will actually start this flow. So in this case, we want to start this flow when somebody comments on our Instagram Live with collection 1. So what we can do is we can add a trigger, and we can choose for the Instagram Live comments. And here we have multiple ways on how we can determine when we want to reply. So we can reply to any message, we can reply to a specific message if a message contains a specific phrase or a specific word, or when a message begins with a certain phrase or certain word. Because we said we want to reply when somebody says collection 1, we're going to choose with message is, and then we're going to say collection 1, or some people might use collection with a space 1, and then we can click save. So what this does, that every time someone comments with collection 1, then we can send them a message inside their Instagram DM. So when we click on this first message, we first need to check use as reply to Instagram comment. And this is crucial inside your flow, because if we do not check this checkbox, your complete flow will not work. So what we then do is that we can determine a certain message that we can send, and we can also add a button or add a quick reply. So what we can say is, hey there, and then we can add an emoji, and we can say, do you want to get the discount code for our new winter collection? And then we can add a quick reply, which is a kind of button inside Instagram, and here we can also add a nice emoji and say, yes, give me it, and then click on done. So one thing I might add is that this first message can only contain a message, so one text block, and a button or a quick reply. So it cannot contain images, cannot contain video, it can only contain a message block with one or several buttons or one or several quick replies. If you want to like add an image or add a video, it won't work. So that's very good to think about when setting up these kinds of flows. And then if someone clicks on this quick reply, we can send them another message. So what we can do is send them another Instagram message, and we can say, awesome, the discount code is winter20. And then we can say, just click the button below to go to our new collection. And also we can add a nice icon, and we can add a button here, and when somebody clicks on that button, we will open the website. So they will actually go to a website. So we can say another emoji, can say winter collection, and here we can open the website, and I will just fill in my website for now and click on done. And that's pretty much what you need to do. So every time somebody comments with collection 1, we say, hey there, do you want to get the discount code for a new winter collection? Then Instagram will show a button, and if they click on that button, then we will say, awesome, the discount code is winter20, just click the button below to go to our new collection. And basically what we need to do now is just click on publish, and we need to go to our starting step and enable it, because now it is currently live, and now this Instagram flow will work. So now I will show you how this looks like inside Instagram. So now I am in Instagram, and you can see that I have an Instagram live going on. I can just click on this, and then I can just reply with collection 1. And now you will see that I automatically get a message with, hey there, do you want to get the discount code for a new winter collection? Then we say, yes, give me it. And then it says, awesome, the discount code is winter20, just click the button below to go to our new collection. We will click on it, and now this directly goes to my website, or in your case, to the new product collection that you're launching. And that's it. That's how you automatically reply to comments on your Instagram Live. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And as always, if you have any questions about using Instagram DM automation or about using ManyChat, please leave a comment below and I will reply as soon as possible.